I said crab cakes, most of you would think of Maryland, and I would too. But a friend of mine is from Thailand, and she got me curious about the way that they make crab cakes there. So today we'll make Thai-style crab cakes. So I've started with 6 peeled and deveined raw shrimp. I put them in my mini food processor here, and now I'm going to add just a dash of fish sauce. And I warn you, this stuff is pretty pungent. And then I'll just grind it up. Now take that pulverized shrimp mixture and add it to a pound of lump crab meat. I'll also add in some minced ginger, 1 egg that I've beaten, some chopped green onion, and a Thai bird chili. I couldn't find one, so I'm going to use Serrano chili, which is just as spicy, and some chopped cilantro, and some breadcrumbs to help bind it all. Now salt and pepper it. Now I've set up a simple dredge, just flour with salt and pepper in it. Now I'll form the crab cakes into about 1-inch thick cakes, and then I'll just simply dredge them in the flour and then fry them in peanut oil until they're nicely golden brown on each side. Now, I thought these crab cakes deserved more than just a lime wedge, so I made a mixture of mayonnaise, sriracha, and sweet chili sauce. I hope my friend Sam Ying will be very proud of me, but you can get the recipe by writing to me here at the station, or log on to the website and click on the Kitchen Guy page. I'm Chef Jim. Thanks for watching Kitchen Guy, the tastiest 2 minutes in television. I'll see you next time.